Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Workshop download queue stuck using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken file lines on your current setup session so your game add-ons can finish installing safely on your machine. Step 1. Open your Master Settings panel from the top menu bar. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop and jump straight into your central configuration room. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top left corner of your screen workspace, click once on the main word Steam, look down the choice list to find the button labeled Settings, and click on it. Watch for the main options panel to slide open right in the middle of your monitor view, displaying all your setup categories. Because you need to reach your main network choices before you can unlock your frozen download line. Opening this central panel gives you a clear look at your overall system rules. Without this step, your software will keep trying to process the same blocked file entry over and over, keeping your queue completely frozen. Step 2. Wipe out your temporary download cache folder. Next, you need to head over to your Downloads tab and use the built-in Folder Cleaner button to throw away the clogged data pieces that are causing the traffic jam. Move your cursor to the left side menu bar, click on the row that says Downloads, look at the middle area of your screen canvas rows, locate the button that says Clear Download Cache, and click it once. Click the OK button when the confirmation box asks if you want to restart your application, and wait for the software window to close and turn back on. Because your computer piles up old, broken tracking details in its temporary memory card. If one single file piece gets corrupted or cut in half, it creates a massive blockade that stops any other files from moving forward in line. Clearing this cache box sweeps away those old broken pieces completely, forcing the program engine to build a fresh, clean download line from scratch. Now you need to switch your download location to a different city to bypass any broken network paths or overloaded internet hubs that are blocking your files. Open your settings window again, click back into that same Downloads row on the left menu, find the drop-down menu box labeled Download Region, click on it, and select a different city or neighboring state from the list. Watch the server name box update to show your new chosen city location flap against your background view. Because the specific internet delivery station you are currently connected to might be down for maintenance or completely choked with too many users. Switching your region path tells the software engine to fetch your game items from an entirely different warehouse instead. It completely clears the communication path and helps your files bypass the slow network blocks instantly. And that's it. To fix Steam Workshop download queue stuck, you must first click Steam at the top left and open your settings panel on your screen. Then you move your mouse to the Downloads row and click the Clear Download Cache button to wipe out your temporary folder data. Next, you look at your screen canvas rows to switch your download region to a different city to bypass broken network paths. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.